The results from this photo shoot are insane. Definitely one of my best photo shoots. Emma absolutely killed it, and I'm so excited to share this video with you. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and share it with someone that needs to see it. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. Yeah, I'm trying to like do bursting it. Let's do one hand down and then the other kind of. And then look at me. So for the first set of photos, when I walked up into location, I wanted Emma facing the sun. It wasn't too bright, so she didn't have to squint too much, and the shadows and sun gave her face a really nice warm look, with those harsh shadows under her chin that make it that summer sort of feel that I was going for. I also had to be very careful that the hat did not cast a shadow over her eyes when I didn't want that to happen, so I made sure she just kept looking up. Loading up Pinterest right now, checking all the inspo. That's perfect. Okay, let's just keep killing it. Don't feel much better. I'm all alone. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, I'm shooting backlit, the sun's right behind her, and because it's so late in the day, you still have a lot of detail from her face. But yeah, you kind of got to do like a...
And then fall forward like this?
Yeah, exactly like that. And then I just want you to keep doing it. Yeah, that is perfect. Yeah, that's perfect. Let's do one where like you have the other hand like that. Show me the elbow.
Wait,
The
this
other
elbow?
yeah. let's do that. Awesome. So I'm shooting with the 50mm right now. My settings are f2.5, shutter speed 125, and then ISO 400. This is just so I can get the most natural sort of background compression and not have it too, zoomed in on the 85 or too zoomed out on the 35. And it's giving us this nice sort of depth through the branches, and it looks super good. So yeah, that is killing it. Perfect. That's awesome. Let's do one like nice and high again. Yeah, I want to do that exact pose. I'm just gonna step back and then look at me. And then hand in here. I love that pose. Yeah, you can put it out.
Okay, Miss Carrie Underwood.
Yeah, I love that pose. Let's do without the hat. Oh, this is good. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Emma and I just took a bunch of looks and it came out awesome. So if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and give us a follow on Instagram if you want to see more photos from us. And with that being said, have a great rest of your day. Keep shooting.